Hello students, in this video we see how to blink LED by using push button. These are the required component. The required component are: first you required breadboard, jumper wire, push button, one resistor, LED, battery cap, and the last one is battery. To blink our LED, first connect your LED on breadboard. This LED has two legs. One is positive leg which is short, which is long, and another one is negative leg which is short. Then simply connect it to the breadboard in a separate row like this. The second step is connect one push button on breadboard on a separate row like this. Then after that, one terminal of push button is connected to the LED by using resistor. Then after that, by using jumper wire, we connect the one terminal of push button to the positive rail of breadboard, and negative terminal of battery is connected to the negative rail of breadboard. Then after that, take your battery and connect battery cap on the battery and simply connect. It has two wires. One is positive wire, which is the red one, and one is negative wire, which is black one. Then carefully connect positive wire to the positive rail of breadboard and negative wire to the negative rail of breadboard. Here we all connected components and simply press the push button to on your LED. Thank you.